up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Autoworks. Another day here. We're in the 2004 Honda Element. We're gonna put in a Bluetooth radio touchscreen. I think it's an Android. When I bought it, that was my phone. Let's see. Put this on. Vibrate. DVD, MP3. Pretty much everything. When I bought it, I thought it was 80 watts total. I've bought a Bluetooth radio with like 50 watts, 40 watts, 30 watts, and they sound like crap, like tin can. So when I saw this 80 watts, I was like, oh, all right, but actually it's 320 watts total, 4 channels. So 80 watts a channel. So hopefully it sounds really good, and I'll review it and I'll get back to you guys and see how it sounds and let you guys know. I got it off of Amazon. It's called Planet Audio. It's not a very good name brand, but hey, I'm willing to try any kind of brand. It wasn't the cheapest, wasn't the most expensive, so I went ahead and got this one. So I got the installation kit also for it, Amazon, and the plug. So that's a big plus right there. So let's go ahead and take out this radio. And oh, also I already know I'm going to order some speakers for this, and I found out it doesn't have any tweeters either. So I'm going to see what the tweeters are, get some good speakers for the doors. There's 4, because I know these are going to blow. So let's get to work. Alright, basically what you need is just a screwdriver for the 4 bolts that are behind here, a little pry tool. There's 3 little tabs under here. You pull that out, and here's the radio that I got. It's not bad, it's pretty cool. We'll see how it has. So yeah, so it's got stream control, MP3, auxiliary, USB charging, digital TFT LED screen, touch screen. Oh, there's a touch screen, remote control, and then a true doubled-in fit. So let's check it out. There she is. It's got some good weight to it. It's not light. USB, SD, auxiliary, Bluetooth, 80 watts times 4. I'll take this off in a little after it's installed. Gotta take these 2 screws out. What I didn't get, what I might need, is an antenna adapter. I'm not sure. If I do, that'll suck. Grab back, get my magnet. I don't need an adapter. Sweet. Well, this looks pretty straightforward. Let's see. Where could I put that microphone? Let's see. I want to put it high, but then again, I don't want to route it all the way through. Well, you know what? When I get these speakers in, I think then that's when I'll route this in. Because I'm going to have to take these off anyways. I don't feel like taking them off. I got to take a trip real quick to Commerce. Maybe for right now, I might just route it right here. Somewhere right here. Or maybe I can get it through the vent. Get some alcohol, stick it in right here. So that's a perfect spot. I'll drill a little hole right here. You can't even see it. Sweet. Just enough for this. Yeah, big enough adapter to fit this through. Alright, cool. Alright, let's do that. Be right back. Got my drill with the unibit. So I'm gonna drill small hole first, see if make it big enough, just enough for this to go in, and then I'll snake it through. And also, I didn't bore you with me connecting a wire loom. I'm pretty sure you've done your own or whatnot, but it was pretty much color coded. And then this one I think is for the rear camera or for the DVD. I gotta check that real quick. Ah, yeah, nice. Perfect. Damn. No. Are you kidding me? That's hilarious. Now you gotta get some alcohol, clean that up, put it right there. $8 millimeter. 8 millimeter. And shave these off. Crap. Nice. And I can probably use the original. Sweet. Alright. Cool. Let's plug it in. Let's see what it sounds like. Awesome. Plug in the antenna. Plug in the plug. And we should have radio. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to pause it real quick. Don't want no copyright. I'm going to see how it sounds. Alright, I can't get in trouble for this. This is non-copyright music. This thing sounds really good. Shows what I'm playing. My new video out. 1969 Chevy Sport Van 90. That is cool. This radio is tight. Alright, let's put everything back together. Alright, let's see. Actually, yeah, I don't have to do anything in the back. I'm going to take it back out again anyways to do that USB and all that other good stuff. Camera. So I am going to get a reverse camera for it. Let's see if the DVD works. Actually, I really don't care about the DVD right now. I just want to get this back together. I'll check that out later. there's the home. There's everything right there. Radio, disc, hands-free, streaming, auxiliary in, SD card, USB, settings, camera. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna have to adjust this. Or can I just do it like that? Ah, yeah, I might have to adjust it. I think it's on. Let's see, I gotta bring it up. I think it has one more adjustment. Darn. Alright, so off camera I modified the brackets. I ended up not using the stock brackets for the radio, so I'm just gonna end up putting the radio back together just in case. So I just modified the brackets that came with the radio, so basically I'd be able to return the kit that I bought, so that's cool. I'll get 20 bucks back there, and I get to use the stock bezel and same color. So let's button it up, test it out one more time. Sweet. Let's see if it automatically connects to my phone. Sweet, there it is. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you with me cleaning this with alcohol and putting the microphone right there. So this is going to end this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Until the next Bobby's Backyard Autoworks. See you next time, guys. Peace.